grinder. I've got these two little holes here that I should have a tool for, but I don't. I'm just showing you an easy way to take this wheel off and put a new one on without the tool. So there's the locking mechanism here. Push that in. Now it's locked. And just turn your tool. Put your hand over the whole thing and turn counterclockwise. Done. While you're holding that locking mechanism in. Get your new wheel, put it on. Tighten this down finger tight. Now what you do is you put your hand back over the wheel and turn clockwise while the locking mechanism is in place. And that is ready to go.